What's going on, guys? Derek from Legendary here, and today I'm going to go through 3 different funnels that I built on DropFunnels, and you can check these out just for some inspiration. And I'm going to give you a chance to get a premium design built by me if you stick around. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. With that being said, let's jump right in. So this is the first funnel. This is my Legendary Leads funnel. It follows a similar pattern as the other two. Basically, how I approach things, I try to keep a lot of info above the fold here. I usually have some kind of call out here up at the top to let people know what it's about, and then a call to action button here. And notice the wording on my button is kind of letting people know they can start building their automation right now. So it's like drawing them to click that button. I usually have a demo of some kind up at the top, so people can watch and see what it's about as well. And then I try to build stuff to try to get people to keep scrolling down the page. So I built this in Canva with these squiggly lines, kind of drawing people down, just subconsciously, right? Because you see it's drawing you down the page. And then some more of that throughout with some arrows, drawing people down to keep reading and keep reading. And then I'll throw those calls to action in throughout the page. This one leads to a demo of the power dialer in Legendary and another call to action. Then we've got these different features of Legendary here, so people could click to learn more about each one of those. And then this is a global section right here, so I could place this on any page, and it's a nice little call to action with the features listed. Usually I will throw up some reviews or stuff like that, just so people can check some of that stuff out, and an FAQ section. So DropFunnels has a pretty cool accordion module, so you can make these FAQs really easily. You customize the colors, fonts, all that stuff. So you can see this one's kind of branded with the Legendary colors. And again, there's that same global section, and this is a global footer, so I can use this across the site as well. So like if I go to the blog here, this is the blog archive. You can see some of my blog posts, and there's those 2 sections again. So if I edit any of these sections, it will update across all the places they are on the site. So I've got a contact us page, support. This one links to the Facebook group here. Team building. So lots of cool stuff you can do with these. All my policies and stuff like that are here. And the order now button would take people to the pricing page. So what's cool about these is once you build one, you can clone it and make very similar pages. So you'll notice on the other 2 that I go through, they're pretty similar. So if I go to the free trial here, it's going to take me directly to that cart. It's reinforcing everything people get inside of the Legendary bundle plan or whichever plan they select. It has those reviews here again, so they can check those out, and they would just sign up for monthly or yearly, whichever one they want, with that 7-day free trial, put in their card info and hit complete order, and that would take them onto the next page and start up some automations on the back end for me. So here's another funnel, kind of similar to the design. This one's for Genius Messenger CRM, which is a Facebook tool that turns your Facebook Messenger into a CRM and sales pipeline. Allows you to follow up with your leads, broadcast messages based on different labels and tags they're in, set follow-up notifications and stuff like that. But you can see kind of the same general flow here. So if we go back home, you can see I have, the call to action with the video. So same general theme. This one I try to simplify it, add more white space, just to keep people right here and try to go on to the next page or watch this video before scrolling. That was kind of my goal with this one, because this really says it all right here. So if people are using Facebook for kind of organic marketing, they're going to be really interested in what this thing can do. And I want them to watch this video because I go through, some training and really show the power of the system in this video. So that's why I have the arrows here kind of pointing over to play the video as well. So just that little subtle stuff. you can kind of pick up on over time. I do have a chat bot as well, that says, would you like to take a closer look at our offer? This generates leads for me, so people can come through. I get these live on my phone, but if I'm away, it'll still try to capture an email and phone number for me so I can follow up with those leads. And then as you scroll down the page, I have some sections here kind of showing little pieces from different software. I show them they get a training of how to set all of this up and then break down the features individually with some images to back those up as well. And look at this. Doesn't this look kind of familiar? So that's what I'm saying with once you have a funnel, you can clone it and make very similar looking stuff, but completely brand it differently for different products or different offers that you have out there. So that's another global section that I could use across the site. And here's that review section again, and then here's the FAQs. So very similar style, not quite as fleshed out as the legendary lead site, because this is for a Chrome extension, so it's kind of simpler comparably, but it does have the same kind of pricing page here. So there's 3 plans: the Ultimate Bundle, Genius Plan, or the Friend Plan. The Ultimate Bundle combines both of these plans into one, so they get a discount, plus they get an additional software, which that's the third funnel we'll talk about here next. So very similar structure, guys. You can see a lot of similarities between these. So we'll click through here just to the cart, and you can see this checkout page is very similar as well. So on to the third one. This one's Genius Scheduler. What this one does is allows you to schedule Facebook posts to your personal profile, as well as Facebook groups that you're either an admin of or you're a member of. So you don't have to be an admin of the group. You can still schedule posts to post in there. This one's still kind of under development. We've got a lot of the kinks worked out, so it's working pretty good for people now. But we still want to add some features in the future for this one. So this one is very simple compared to the other two, just pretty stripped down, but same thing. I have this arrow here pointing to the calendar to let them know, okay, this is something, if I want to schedule posts, I'll be able to use, and I kind of have it under the play button just so it draws them into that area. And again, this is some training and a demo of the actual software in action. So, and then you can see the call out here: schedule engaging content to your Facebook profile. So same situation here. This one's kind of a image scroller, so it goes through a few different images of the extension, and you can check that out. Then it's got some of the features here, and this one has the FAQ section as well, and then sign up now button. So I threw this one together real quick and haven't messed with it too much. I still need to build this one out a little bit. I don't have that call out section like this, and I also don't have the reviews and testimonials section. So that's something I still need to add to this one. But just to tell you guys, once you have a format set up and a structure in DropFunnels, it's super easy to clone and get a lot more work done based on what you've already done in the past. So you can set up, how you like stuff to look, and then duplicate that so you can multiply your efforts in a way. So with that being said, hopefully you guys got something out of this video. If you're interested in learning more, I have a free starter course on DropFunnels. You can check that out. I'll throw that link down in the comments. And if you do end up signing up for DropFunnels, let me know, and I will shoot you some free templates you can use to model some of these style of sites that I built. The contest is still live for the affiliate promotion contest for DropFunnels. So if you're interested in joining me this week, I'm doing 2 videos per day and some social media posts and stuff like that, blogging. So I want to win that Remarkable 2. So if you help me get there, I appreciate that. All you got to do is subscribe and smash that bell. Leave a comment, leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Appreciate you guys. Stay legendary.